And we got it going on now. Taking it out for the Maiden Voyage. It's the first time it's moved since before we took the seats out. And we're going for a tour. Ready?
There we go.
We're ready? Alright, let's go. What do we got for fuel? Quarter of a tank. That should be enough.
Hopefully. Ooh, it's a bouncy ride.
Huh?
It's a bouncy ride.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go up to the Henday. On the way home, when we bought it, it was just blah 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 all the way home.
We'll show you.
It is noisy in here. Forgot how noisy school buses are. It's much quieter now. The spray foam stiffened it right up.
But it's still a bouncy bus.
Oh, it's a bus. It's not a bus anymore. It's a scooty.
Ooh, okay, it's as bouncy as a bus. It's a lot quieter ride.
Huh?
It's a lot quieter ride.
Yes, it is. It's the spray foam stiffened it right up. We've done a maiden voyage with the bus, so it's the first time it has left. I'm gonna sit down here. It's the first time it has left. We're getting beamed here. Here we go. Let's go up here. It's the first time it has left since January. Hasn't left the yard since January, so we're out here.
Yard since December.
January, because we took it in January to get it inspected.
Oh.
So it's the first time in a long time. So we're out now. We're out at Cooking Lake area, east of Edmonton. So we came out for the day. Came out here because I wanted to use the drone. So I'll show you some drone footage as well. So
We have the puppy dogs.
and we got the dogs. They are very stressed out.
There's one.
And the other one's down here. Much quieter than it was on the ride home when we bought it. Of course, it's been spray foamed, all the seats and everything out of it, and all the building we've done to it has been pretty good. Most noise is all the wood and stuff that's still sitting in here, banging like crazy. And here we go. The bus out, it's looking great outside of the driveway. We can actually walk around it, a long ways around it. It's covered in icicles because, you know, it is winter here and it got warm where it was sitting. Looking really good.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be.